Hey guys, I was over at my shop and I looked out the window and look what pulled up in front of my shop here. I'll show you guys.
It's got the Corvette LS1 engine in it.
Yeah, okay, that's what I put in mine as well.
It will flat move on now. Sorry to get you.
No man, you are fine. So this is a 50?
1950.
1950.
From Idaho, where we found it.
From Idaho?
Yeah.
Man, this is bad, man. Who put your motor in for you?
Bear Brothers.
Where are they at? Where are they located at?
Over in Johnson City. Let me show you something right here.
All right. He's gonna show me something. Let's take a walk around this truck here.
This is their symbol.
Oh, okay.
And if you look on the steering wheel, you're more welcome to look at that.
Okay.
It's on the steering wheel too, but this is the very first one they did. Their new business in Johnson City.
In Johnson City?
Yeah, sure are.
I'm gonna check them out then.
Yeah.
I do everything myself, so you know. But I got and I like the Patina look, so I got one of them is a slick job, and the other two are all Patina.
Yeah, I like it too the way it is.
Are you from Bristol or?
I grew up in Kentucky, but I've been here a long time.
Yeah, I can hear that Kentucky accent
Yeah.
now.
Where you from, man?
I'm originally from Greensboro.
Okay.
Yeah, but I've been here for like the last 30 years. I'm a military guy, man. So my wife is from here, and so we decided to come back here and stuff.
Well, that's worse places to be.
Hey,
I tell you.
yeah, you're right. Man, this baby is nice.
Yeah, look inside there, man.
I will, man. I appreciate you letting me look at it.
Open the door. Get in there if you want to. Now it's unlocked.
Man, this baby is nice. Turn back around.
Yes, sir.
All right.
What year is it?
50, man. This thing is awesome, man.
Can I take a picture?
Yeah. There you go.
We're gonna look inside of it here. Look inside this baby.
So if you look in the middle of the steering wheel, you'll see that bear in there.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah.
Look at that there. And they did a good job. Did a really good job. I like how you did your seats too. The
Yeah.
diamond pleated.
Yeah. It's a family out in Idaho.
He said he found his truck out in Idaho.
It's,
This is what I like here, man. I'm gonna redo my interior over in my 47, because up in the corners there, you can see up in the corners there, mine is not as smooth as that. But now I know how to do it. Before I was struggling with it a little bit, but now I'm pretty decent at it, so I know what's going on. You know, it's all right. He got the vintage air controls in there, just like mine, with the louvers. He got everything painted. You know, this is the vintage air control knobs there. I like his shifter there. It's good, good. This is awesome.
If you like to do it that much, man, you got to check them out. And tell them you're around here. They may be looking for help if you're in.
Yeah, nah. I got so many projects now. I can't. I wouldn't be able to do it. So I been doing so far like a truck every year or every year and a half.
Yeah.
So I'm actually right now working on one. I don't want to say it because I don't want to give the secrets away.
I was trying to see if I could find. I'm gonna get over here and show
Yeah.
you what it looked like before. Cause I've got the older pictures too.
Yeah, but man, that's a good looking picture there. Look at that. What y'all guys think? Yeah, that's pretty sweet. I like how you got his mirrors and stuff right there. You did a good job. Walk around here in front. Traffic is not that bad. Look at that, man. You did a good job. I like how you got the work truck going. He said this is all original. This is how it was when he brought it. This is what I look for. This is awesome. Let's see if I can take a picture. Yeah. All right, I'll get back with you guys later. Just a reminder, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. let's watch the rest of this video. There's LS1 motor in there. I like how you got that.
Yeah.
Bear Brothers on there. That's awesome.
I'm a property adjuster.
That's cool.
Yep.
So
We do a lot of older homes.
okay.
You know,
Same motor I got in all of mine.
matter of fact, we're looking at doing.
You got the
church
same
right
type of
now
Satan, that
down
Satan
in,
compressor. It's low profile
Oh wow.
in there. I like those heads. Those headers on there.
Yeah. Well, it's a problem, man.
Yeah, she fits in there like a glove.
Matter of fact, we're going in Paramount.
All right.
Talk to them about that.